Another InDesign quick tip by Fatfly Design. In this video, let's take a look at how to place a Photoshop image, something you created over in Photoshop, into Adobe InDesign. What I have here is an Adobe InDesign file that's 8.5 inches by 11 inches. And most of the time, when I'm creating things in Adobe InDesign, my final product is going to be a printed publication. That's important to keep into consideration. In Photoshop, I have this image over here that I took down in Jamaica. Knowing that this is going to go into InDesign and knowing this is going to be for a printed publication, there's a couple things that I should check. One, under image size, is it 300 pixels per inch, which is the most common resolution that I need for printed images. And it is, so that's good. Now also it's going to be a printed publication, but you notice that my color mode is RGB. So I should go to Image, Mode, CMYK, and convert that to CMYK before I actually place this in InDesign. It's just a good practice. Okay, now let's go over here to InDesign and let's place that image. So File, Place, or Command D, and I can hit OK. And then click once and it will place it in there. Now, this image is bigger than I need it here, which is good. It's okay to have it too big. What is not okay is to have it too small. If I were to place it and it was way too small in here, then I've got a problem. But I can resize this image once I get into here. So I click on here, I grab a corner, I have to hold Command and Shift down, click and drag, and resize that. I've now placed that image in InDesign. Now, something else to keep in mind. By default, any image that I place into here is a linked image, meaning InDesign needs to know where that file is. So it knows it's stored somewhere on my hard drive, it knows what name it is and everything. If I were to ever change its name or move its location, I would break that link and I would have to relink that. Otherwise it would come up as missing and it would not print correctly. Okay, so that's placing an image in InDesign from Photoshop. Thanks for watching this InDesign quick tip. I hope it was helpful. If you like what you saw, please hit like and subscribe below. Also, if you get a chance, visit my website at fatflydesign.com.